Hey YouTube, starting on a project that I've been wanting to do for quite some time is this trailer. I acquired it and I already started ripping the wood deck off of it there. Thought, well, I should probably make a video. My plans for this is to mount my 30-gallon Harbor Freight gas air compressor on, and eventually, whenever I get one, I would like a gas-powered welder, and I'd like to put them on this trailer so that I don't have to mount it in my pickup. This trailer is kind of a basket case, like everything I acquire. One being it's got a bow in the tongue of the trailer, kind of where the jack is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the jack off, shorten the tongue of the trailer up here. I'll have to get rid of these nasty welds, and I'll mount the hitch right here. Already looks quite a bit smaller with the frame bobbed off. It's gonna look even way smaller once I cut the tongue of the trailer off. Well, I think I got the hitch kind of mocked up there where I want to have it mounted. I shortened the tongue and took the rest of the tongue, or some of the tongue, and made a little bracket for air hose. And I quickly just have it tacked right now. The hitch. I'll mount the taillights here. The air compressor will sit here, and then right here I'll put a toolbox. And the reason I don't want to do a toolbox on the back and then just shift everything forward is I'm just concerned about a little too much tongue weight on this kind of lightly built trailer. But that's my project so far. Hope you guys follow along and enjoy the build.